Welcome to another video. This video will be on checkmate in one puzzles, mate in one puzzles. So I made a video earlier about how to check and checkmate your opponent, and I made another video how to play chess, which shows you how all the pieces move. So if you've watched those two videos and you've learned the material, then you're ready to do some checkmate in one puzzles. That means you'll make one move and you win the game. One move to checkmate your opponent. Okay, so let's start right in. Here it's going to be white to move, and here's the black king. And your job is to make one move that wins the game. So it'll be something that puts the king in check, and he won't be able to escape. So it'll be checkmate in one move. So there's the king in the green circle there. So there's one way to do it is to look and see where are all the places where he's safe. Well, the king's safe there and he's safe there. But he's not safe here or here because of the bishop can come in and guard. The bishop guards those squares. So the king is safe if he stays within those green squares there. So what you want to do is move a piece that puts the king in check and covers those two green squares. All right, so let's look and see. Well, you've got a bishop down here which can come down and put the king in check. But the queen could just take that bishop, and that does not solve the problem of checkmate in one, so you need another move. But you do notice something, and that is that this pawn cannot move because it's pinned by the bishop. So that might be useful, and it is useful in this situation because, and pause the screen now if you want to make a guess, but I'm going to tell you the answer now. So pause the screen if you want to figure it out yourself. Okay, now the solution would be to use the queen and put him in check. Now here's the thing though. If you say check by taking the knight, this bishop can come down and you would do not achieve checkmate in one. If you say, oh, I'll put my queen here, well, he can just use that pawn. So, but knowing about this pin here, you can put your queen right there. And you see the king has no place to go. See, he's not safe there anymore because of the queen. He can't go there or there because of the bishop. And he can't go there because of the queen. So that would be checkmate in one. Let's do another one. Okay, this is white again. And again, we're going to take advantage of a pin. So you want to look and see, where can the king go? Well, right now the king is safe where he is. He can go here, he can go here, he can go here. So he's safe on 4 squares. He's got four places to hide. Okay, now we look and we see we do have a bishop aiming in that direction. The knight is blocking the bishop, but it also means that the knight can't move. The knight can't move because it would put black in check. Okay, so knowing that, you think, okay, what moves do I have that would put the king in check? Well, if you bring the queen down, you say check, and the king can't take it because the rook is also aiming down there, and the knight can't take the queen because he's pinned by the bishop. So confidence is high that that's the solution. Let's come down. Boom, checkmate in one. All right, let's do another. All right, white to mate in one. Of course, always pause the video and see if you can figure it out on your own. But I'm going to give the solution now. And we want to first look, okay, the black king is here. And right now there he's safe. He can go here. But let's see, he can't go here or here because the queen guards those spots. And also the knight guards that spot there. So what move can put black in check? Well, let's see. If the queen comes down here, the king can just take, so that's not it. if the queen comes down here, the king can just run away, so that's not it. Let's see, can any other piece come in? Let's see, the knight. What if the knight goes there? Okay, so if the knight goes there, it does attack the king. The king won't be able to go to this square because the queen guards it, because the knight will be over here. The queen also guards this and this. So that would do it. But before you make that move, you want to see, if I move my knight here, can black attack my knight? And so as I'm looking right now, he can't take the knight, he can't take the knight, he can't, she can't, he can't, he can't, he can't. So no, you can do that. Let's move there. And that is mate in one. All right, let's do another one. White to mate in one. Okay, so always you go to the king. Here's the king. And you say, where can he go? Well, let's see. He can't go there because of the rook. And he can't go here because of this pawn. So what you need is a move, since those two squares are already occupied and protected and blocking the king from escaping, you need a move that attacks the king himself right there. Now, do you have a move that does that? Well, let's see. If the rook comes down and attacks the king, well, this pawn can just take it. Okay, so that's not good. So that's not it. What other checks do you have? Well, this pawn can't move two squares at once, so that doesn't do it. Let's see. Okay. But you know what? This knight here, he can come down here and put the king in check. So if he does that, you have to think, can any of the black pieces take that knight? And let's look. The rook can't, this knight can't, that pawn can't. So I think that's a good move. Let's try it. Boom, checkmate in one. We're having a good time. All right, let's do another one. All right, black to mate this time. Let's see. First you want to do, here's, black is going to be mating. You look for the white king. Okay, there's the white king. Now, black is going to try to mate him. Now, right now, you want to say, well, where can he go? Okay, let's see. Well, he can't go here or here or here or here because of this black rook. That black rook guards all that and guards all that. And the white king can't take the black rook because this pawn guards it. Okay, where else can the king not go? Let's look. He can't go here because of this pawn. Let's see. But he can go there. Okay, so we know now that the king can go to here and here. So those are the two. So you need a move that attacks those two squares. And what would do that? Oh, look right there. The knight going there attacks both of those squares. But before you do it, you want to see, can any of his pieces take the knight if you move it there? Well, the bishop can't, the rook can't, the king can't, this pawn can't. So we figured that looks like the move. So black goes there, check, and mate. Because look, at this point, the king can't go here, 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 or here. So he is mated, checkmate. All right, we've been using the knight to checkmate a lot. Let's use another one. Let's use another piece. Okay, so now it looks like it's black to mate. So it's going to be black, so you want to look for the white king. There's the white king. Let's look and see where he can go. Well, right where he is, he's safe, but he can't go here or here, or he can't go there because the black rook guards those two spots. And let's see, he can't take this pawn because look, the black bishop guards that, and so that's a red, that should be red. And he can't go here because the pawn guards that. So his only two squares are here and here. So that gives you an idea. You need a move, a check, that attacks both of those squares. And look what might do it. This bishop right here would attack those two. So you think, I'm going to put my bishop right there. But if I do that, can he block by putting a piece, say, here, where the red circle is? And no, he can't. Can he take, if I move my bishop here, can he take the bishop with the queen? No. With the bishop? No. With the king? No. With any of these other pieces? No. So you feel confident this is the move. Bishop goes here. Checkmate. So mate in one. Oh, this is fun. Okay, let's do another one. All right, let's use a different piece this time. Okay, so now this is black to move and mate in one. So you want to find the king. Since it's black to mate, black to move, you know you're going to be checkmating the white king. Here's the white king right here. Okay, so you want to look and see, where can he go? Well, where he is right now, he's safe. Okay, can he go here? Yes, he can. Can he go here? No, because of the rook. Can he take the rook? No, because of this pawn. Can he go here? No, because the rook attacks that. So the king is safe here and here. So you need a move that attacks those two squares. What would do it? Well, let's look here. What's a check? Okay, pause it if you want to check it yourself. Okay, now I'm going to give the answer. Let's see, what happens if the queen comes over here? The king will be in check. He won't be able to go here. And we already know he can't go here because of the rook. And he won't be able to stay where he is. And he won't be able to go here because the queen will be coming after him. So we feel confident that is the move. Let's do it. Boom. Checkmate in one. Boy, these are fun.